Today I'm making Southern Living salad. I got this recipe from a friend who got it from her daughter who got it from somebody else. So to me, that means it's a well-tested recipe. First thing I'm going to do is assemble the lettuce. And then I have green onions. And then I have broccoli. I'm going to mix that up a little bit. So these are all your greens. Okay. Then I'm going to make the dressing. So I'm going to move that aside. I've got avocado oil. Now I have cut this recipe in half since there's just 2 of us, but if you make the full recipe, it probably serves about 4 to 6. Okay, I've got red wine vinegar. Soy sauce. Salt. Pepper. And sugar. Okay, just going to mix that up. And I'm going to set that aside. And then we're going to go to the stove. Okay, I've got butter here. Going to heat that on my stove. This is going to be our crunchy topping. And now I'm going to add the chopped pecans. And then I have ramen noodles, which I've broken up into smaller pieces. So you can use any package of ramen that you want, because it doesn't matter, you're not using a seasoning packet. So that's just going to be tossed in the trash, and then we're just going to heat it on the stove. Keep stirring it. Now if I want to soften it up more, we could add some more butter. Okay, going to let this sit for a few minutes. All right, now I'm going to put my topping on. Now I've decided to do the dressing separately. I don't want to put it on the whole bowl, because then if we don't eat all of it tonight, it's going to be soggy. This way you can put on your own as much as you want. Okay, now we're going to try Southern Living salad, which I'd never heard of before.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Wait, you want some dressing?
Oh, yes, I do. Can I be trusted?
Well, we'll see. Do you want some more salad?
No, not right now.
Okay. So I use romaine, but you can use any kind of lettuce you want.
Here you go.
Thank you. Move this to the side. Now I've tried this before and I know it's good, but Mark hasn't had it. What do you think? You like all the crunch? I like all the crunchy stuff too. I can tell.
Wow. I need some more pecans. I see a little pile right here.
Mm-hmm. Be careful you don't overcook them either.
They taste good.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, this
I like
is nice.
That. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't want to keep
I know, we could keep eating more.
Sorry.
That's true. It's probably very loud.
I like it.
Good. I'm glad.
Is this all we're having for dinner?
No.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, we'll have a protein too. You could have those for dinner. You could add a protein if you wanted to. But thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you taking the time with us. We'll see you next time with another great video. Of course, the recipe's in the description box and 2 videos a week now. See you next time. Bye-bye.
So much better